and welcome back to my channel. Today is the last preparing for Christmas with baking by Leah. I am going to be making my dad's Bailey's dessert. What you will need: 250 grams of mascarpone, 3 tablespoons of icing sugar plus extra for garnish, 4 tablespoons of cream liqueur or Bailey's, pinch of ground cinnamon, 1 orange zest only, 200 milliliters of double cream, 100 grams of panettone, 1 tablespoon of brandy, and a small piece of dark chocolate to grate. First, add the mascarpone and sift the icing sugar into the bowl. Now add your cream liqueur or Bailey's, cinnamon and orange zest and whisk together. In a separate bowl, beat the double cream until it's 3/4 whipped. Fold your cream into the mascarpone mixture. Now, cut your panettone into small cubes. Place your panettone into a large bowl and sprinkle over the brandy. Then toss it so it's all evenly coated. Start layering our dessert. First, place a spoonful of the cream mixture into the bottom of your glass or bowl. Then lay half the panettone on top, followed by another layer of cream, another layer of panettone, and then another layer of cream on top. But make sure when you get to the top of the glass, you're spreading it out evenly so it becomes flat. Finally, dust over a little icing sugar and finish with some grated chocolate. You can enjoy this straight away, or you can leave in the fridge and enjoy when you're ready. Thank you for watching my last preparing for Christmas with baking by Leah. I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to take a minute to say thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel and thank you for watching my videos. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's hope 2021 is a better year for us all. I will see you all next year for some more baking by Leah.